to be out here on this trip, to be just able to see with our friends and family just a wider scope of your love for us. And
we're in Istanbul. We're getting on the bus, going to the city, just get an idea of what everyone's expectations are. So we have here. Now, have you ever been to Turkey before?
That's our first time.
First time? Awesome. Now, do you have any expectations?
I'm really looking forward to the Bible coming alive this week for me.
That's awesome.
Yeah, and I've just been so blessed by the team leaders, and all the team members making us feel so welcome and providing for us. And so I'm looking forward to seeing in the historic lands that we go to how God has provided for His people.
That's outstanding. Again, all good stuff. Stay tuned. Be right back. All right, here we are. We are in Istanbul. We just got off the bus. That's kind of what we're doing today. But I have my friend here. Have you ever been to Turkey before?
No, never been. First time.
First time?
First time.
What are your expectations for this trip?
Yeah, from what I've heard, there's just a lot of history that I'm really excited to kind of dive into. Definitely Hagia Sophia is the one focal point that I'm really looking forward to, just kind of seeing and just kind of taking in a lot of the beauty, a lot of historical context. So outside of that, probably the food, a little bit of coffee sounds a little bit good to get past this jet lag. But yeah, the historical cities is cool.
Well, this tour is all about the historical, the archaeological. The Hagia Sophia is going to be outstanding. That's a big thing today, especially since the Blue Mosque is under renovation. So we're unfortunate. But yeah, so we're going to get started, turn these whisper things on, and start whispering.
It's gonna be good.
See you guys later.
Later.
Oh, do you? All right, we're in Turkey. What do you do when you're in Turkey? You have Turkish coffee. Why? Because it's what you do. I'm with our friends.
Here's the Turkish coffee.
Here's a Turkish coffee. Here, cheers to Turkish coffee.
To Turkish coffee.
Here we go.
Don't eat the grounds.
Now,
Where's Christine?
we just got out of our first site. What did you guys think?
Well, you know, it's amazing how pervasive the Turkish race, which I didn't even know was a race, how pervasive it's been in world history. It's really amazing to find that out. Something I would never have known without just reflection. Long lecture.
It's really how rich, Turkey history is, right? I feel like we should learn more before we join the trip. That will be more helpful.
So you like homework?
I love homework.
She's Chinese. She loves homework.
I'm part Chinese. No likey homework. So that's the difference between intellectual, not so much.
And practical.
But in 8 more days, I may be better.
As you can see, this is what we can see from today's Turkey cities, plus the archaeological sites.
All right, so we're here in the museum. This is building 2, and this is in the wing where you have examples of Anatolian architecture. And the video and the pictures aren't going to do it justice, but the detail of what you have here, these would have been at the top of buildings or temples, are absolutely amazing. It is information overload though. So as we go through, I'll kind of highlight as we continue to go, but let me tell you, the geekiness of the archaeology and the detail of all of the pictures and the statues and everything, like the statue behind me, is absolutely phenomenal. So. Jenik, what is the building we're going to be walking into?
Now we are going to Hagia Irini, the first church of Constantinople.
Oh, right on.
Okay.
So here we go. Alright, first church, Constantinople. We're about ready to walk in. We're waiting for everyone to come through security. But this is the entranceway. It's lunchtime, and I'm going to show you what we're all eating. But right now, we're at the pudding shop for lunch, right? No, not really. It's not pudding. Does this look like pudding? That is not pudding. And these people are not eating pudding. So, one thing when you go on these tours, you're treated well. You eat well, and you exercise it all off. So, we'll see what the net weight is later. I just got out of the cisterns, and that was fun. It's a giant water tank underground. But one thing, when you go on a tour, the goal is not to lose your tour guide. Lost my tour guide, but my fault, missed the meeting spot, and yeah, that was fun, but it felt safe, and that's the most important thing. All right, here we are, officially the Grand Bazaar. Grand Bazaar. And it's cold. I put my jacket on. But here we go. We're gonna go in here and see what we can find that's actually made in Turkey. Big glowing tower behind me, that's the Galata Tower. So that used to be the central fortress for the city, looking over the bay, and that's where they would look up for friendly ships to let through the pass, and then enemy ships, they would actually raise a chain gate preventing them from coming in. So very exciting stuff down here in Old Town Istanbul. And yeah, on the way back to the hotel.